Assalamualaikum guys, good morning everyone. Oh, it's a very hot weather early morning. शायद 36 to 38 degree अभी है. In today's video we are going to Lakes Park in Riyadh. So stay tuned with us, with me Mr. Jeffrey, my colleague. So today we came here to Lakes Park in Riyadh. I will show you the water flow here. Here you can see the water flow, and mashallah, it's a beautiful view, even in daytime and also night time. It's a good place for doing some party like things, and to get relaxed and to reduce the heat. So we can visit here to the Lakes Park. See, this is the beautiful flowing of water. Oh, very cool, mashallah. See, I can touch and see the water is very cold. Even in too hot weather, water is cold. And here is the fish. Go. Guys, you can see here. So this is the best place in Riyadh. Guys. From here we are going to Industrial City for lunch. Here to the restaurant. Let's go. Hi. This is Mir Saudi restaurant, where we get all Arabic food, faham, khabsa and everything. Thank you. So we will have faham in our lunch here. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.